Well, how on the children to do this year, the Queen Quet head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. This year was a special day for me, if on the children ain't been know. April the 1st, 1999, been the first time I go into the UN, all the way in Geneva, Switzerland, and thing like that. I go on there for crack my teeth about what it shall represent. The fact that in all of these years and thing like that, when we ancestors with teeth and brought you from Gullah, they carry to this year place called Sullivan Island. Sullivan Island been the way they had what they call pest houses. So they used to throw people in here, chain them down and things like that, and make them stay before they carry them downtown. They used to check and see what disease and things Hunter been bringing in. They ain't been just the black gold that they call the black cargo and things like that. They do it at time. They do them to everybody what been a kind here. But the difference been we were there for weeks and things like that. Other of people going here for hours and days and things like that. And then they going on in and their life ain't been what we life been. So after that, plenty of people what were there would be put on smaller boat and things like that, and not shipping thing, and carried down to this your place called Gadsden Wharf. Gadsden Wharf, the way 100 children will be coming in a few hours when we broke ground for the International African American Museum. I am chiefess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation. Many of you have heard me mention I was installed at Sullivan's Island. So I'm sure it's divinely ordered that on this day, April the 1st, where April the 1st, 20 years ago, believe it or not, even for me at midnight last night, I had to stop and do the math. Again, y'all know I'm a mathematician. I had to stop and really just about count on my fingers. Was it really 20 years already since I first sat down in Geneva, Switzerland, and became the first Gullah Geechee in the history of the world to ever speak on behalf of Gullah Geechee people before the Human Rights Commission at the United Nations, to speak about how our ancestors were violated and how we continue to be violated and how our land continues to be raped and violated. And so it is a powerful thing to be here today about to greet students who are coming down from the Midlands for a special dedication to our ancestors to be done on April 1st. Right after arriving back just yesterday, just a few hours ago really, from Bermuda, where many of our ancestors also went from the Gullah Geechee Nation. So Hunter children, if you deal with me, Hunter going know this year what going on, but you will never be able to feel what I feel. We're completing a journey 20 years later, April the 1st, and having the power of the ancestors call me back to this place in space where I was installed, but this time bringing the children and leading the children. And what we say, work together children, don't you get weary. Great camp meeting in the promised land. God bless all of 100 children. Take it to all 100 will send me greetings this year day, and remember every year April 1st, my anniversary of that first time I cracked my teeth for we human rights. Still standing, still fighting, still self-determined, because we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. God bless you.